Hey y'all, look what just came in. I'm so excited to share this with you along with some ways to save. Stick around and check it out. Willie and Johnson wanted to stop by and say hi. Say hi. Say hi. They're very excited that we got all of our meat in, huh?
Yeah, nobody wants to get in the box already.
That's right. They know there's good stuff in there. Do you know there's good stuff?
He's wagging his tail.
Yeah, they're good boys. They've been keeping us a lot of company since we lost our little Skeeter, huh? Yeah, she's a good boy. Anyway, say bye. We gotta look at all the meat. Say bye. All right, everybody, it is that time. I got my meat from Piedmontese. So I got a great deal. They had a mystery meat box. They actually still do. If y'all see it, check it out. They may still have it. They have it as of today. It is Wednesday the 12th, I think, today. My dogs are excited about the meat. Check it out because the deal still may be going on. It's $99 and you get like $200 and some worth of meat. It's a mystery box, so I have no idea what I got. All right, y'all, I got my mystery meat box. It was $99. They give you like $230 some worth of meat. I don't know what the meat includes, so it may be stuff I don't normally buy, but we are gonna find out. Now, on top of the $99 mystery meat box deal, I did buy a 12-pack, I think, of just the ground beef, which is my go-to that I always buy. And then I had a coupon code for Father's Day is the coupon code name. And it gave me, I think, 4 pounds of hamburger and 2 New York steaks. On top of that, if you use coupon code Sean25, that's SEAN 25, Dr. Sean O'Mara has been kind enough to share that coupon code with us, and you can get 25% off of your purchase. So I have found that I'm able to use the coupon code of Sean25, and I'm also able to stack it with the free steak coupon codes, which this last time was Father's Day. So I do both of those, but first what I do is I go through Rakuten. I go to the Rakuten site and then I access Piedmontese Beef, and so I get 4% back, cash back on Rakuten as well. So I'm saving money all over the place, and then I pay with my credit card that has rewards on it. Don't mind the puppies. We just got home and they are a little rambunctious. So I also pay with my credit card that has cash back. It's 2%, and I get 2% cash back as well. So I am saving money anywhere I can with my purchase of this meat, and it is really good meat. We always enjoy eating it. I am gonna start, sorry, this is my life. So I'm gonna start unboxing this and we're gonna see what we got. So I already know that I got ground beef. Let's start with the little one because I think the little one is not as heavy. I always have this delivered to my husband's work during the day because I don't want it sitting outside and somebody taking my meat. I'd be mad. Anyway. Yum! So we have beef sirloin fillets. I've never tried this. Looks like we have 2 of those. We got a filet mignon. It's tiny but mighty. That looks good. I'm sure we will get some enjoyment out of that. And here's another one. So we have 2 filet mignons. This one says 8 ounces. This one says 4. We have another beef sirloin filet. And I'm telling you what, I tried their sirloin and it is good. And normally I am not a sirloin girl. The picanha that I tried with the sirloin, it's a sirloin picanha, it's good too. So it looks like we got, these may be the free steaks. We got New York strip and New York strip. So those are 2 free steaks. And it looks like we got another New York strip. So that's included in the mystery meat box. We have, I think all of this is the mystery meat box actually. That's another 4-ounce filet mignon and another 8-ounce filet mignon. And then we got another beef sirloin filet. And another 8-ounce filet mignon. And another New York strip. It's looking good so far. So that's it for this box. Oh, let's see what's in here. Grass-fed New York strip steaks. So let's see what we got. Now these ones, I think these are the free ones. Grass-fed, grass-finished. This is grass-fed, not grass-finished. This was the mystery meat box. It was not grass-finished. But these are the ones that came free in the Father's Day, with the Father's Day gift code. And that is 2 grass-fed, grass-finished New York strip steaks. Let's check this one out. So this has to have all our hamburger in it. I am a hamburger kind of girly. I eat hamburger every day, almost every day for lunch. I love my hamburger. So these are the grass-fed, grass-finished ground beefs. So I think it's like $130 and I get 12 of these. I think with the coupon code, I think it comes out to like $7 and something a pound. All right, this is more of the grass-fed and grass-finished ground beef. So I know I ordered 12 of these and I got 4 free with the Father's Day coupon code. So I just noticed something. I have 2 different types of ground beef. So the majority of this is grass-fed, grass-finished, 85 lean, 15 fat, premium grind blend. So that is what I normally order. And the ingredients on here is just ground beef. I don't know what it's a blend of. Just says ground beef. And then the 4 free pounds for the Father's Day is grass-fed, grass-finished, just ground beef. So it's not the 85.15. I don't know what it is. It doesn't say. I think it's 85.20 because this has 19 grams of fat. So that makes me happy because I like that fatty hamburger. I love it. I love fatty hamburger. So this is my haul, my meat haul. I'm excited for the mystery box. I think it's a lot of good stuff. So let's get this organized and we'll be back. This is what $190 worth of grass-fed beef looks like. Some of it is grass-finished. All of the hamburger is grass-finished. I got 16 pounds of grass-fed, grass-finished beef hamburger. 12 of it is the 85.15. 4 of them were my free ground beefs that are 80.20. So I got 16 of those. I got 4 beef sirloin fillets that are 8 ounces each. They are grass-fed. I got 4 grass-fed New York strip steaks, and it looks like these are about 10 ounces each. I got 5 filet mignons that are grass-fed. 2 of them are 4 ounces, 3 of them are 8 ounces. Then I got 2 grass-fed, grass-finished New York strip steaks, and those are 10 ounces each. So we have enough meat to hold us over for a while. On my last video, somebody had commented about how I said it was my meat for the week, and it really made me chuckle because I can imagine he probably thought we ate all that meat in a week, but we did not. It's just was a slip of the tongue. So this is our meat haul from Piedmontese Beef. Again, always look for the free steak coupon codes. A lot of times I see them come up on Facebook, or I'll Google it to see what is available. And as well as those coupon codes, you can use the coupon code Sean25, SEAN 25. And I find if I put the Sean25 coupon code in, then follow it up by the other coupon code, whatever it may be. This particular one was Father's Day. I'm sure they're going to have more coming up for the 4th of July, so be on the lookout for it. So if you put both those coupon codes in, you should be able to get both discount. The 25% discount and the free meat. So before you go on Piedmontese though, make sure you go through Rakuten, and you will get 4% cash back through Rakuten. So on top of your 25% off, you're going to get 4% cash back by going through Rakuten first. And then if you pay with a credit card that has points on it, like mine is 2%, when I buy this particular meat, so I get 2% cash back on that. So that's a savings of 31%. So that's pretty good, especially if you're trying to eat a little bit healthier and you're trying to do it on a budget. I know it is expensive, but anywhere we can save, we should save. I'm gonna put the link for Rakuten down below. If you guys click on that link and sign up through that link, you'll get $30 cash back, and then they will gift me $30 cash back when you guys sign up and make your first purchase. So I appreciate any help and support that I can get from you guys, and I love saving money where we can. It's always good saving money, especially when we're trying to buy the more expensive meat. Anywhere we look, things are expensive, so I do the best I can with what I can. If I find it on sale in the grocery store, I'm still buying it as well. This is great meat, and now you have a couple ways to go about saving and getting more for your money when you buy through Piedmontese. Anyways, thanks for joining me tonight, guys, and hope to catch you here next time. And until then, stop eating processed foods.